I'm about to do a food review with Max, and we're going to do Doritos here. I'm going to see if he'll come. If I shake the bag, he loves his food reviews. And it's working, so here he comes. Hey boy, you know what this is? It's time. Are you ready? You ready to tell everybody if you like it or not? I think he is. His nose is going to town right now. Okay, here he goes. Does he like Doritos nacho cheese? I think he says it is my cheese. There he goes. He loves it. That's good, right? Yes? Yes. Oh. There you go. Another one? Yes. That's pretty good. I think he likes them. I don't think he plans on sharing any either. Yeah. A little junk food for a horse. Another one? I think he wants to get it himself. Yeah. He's going for it. Let's see. I can't open the bag, boy. He's looking. I think he's going to give me all orange. He still got a red shirt on, so it doesn't really matter. It's almost gone. Oh. He likes it. There's the proof. He has to get every last drop. The look of satisfaction. Okay, boy. That's all.